You've seen it.
Everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an SFX makeup look anti-Valentine's Day. I've done the cutesy, girly, hearts, pink, pretty Valentine's Day looks. Now I want to do a creepy, awesome, scary looking Valentine's Day look. If you're into that kind of thing, it's coming up in just a minute. I just want to quickly say to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to me, joining me on this little journey. YouTube is my passion and so is makeup. So it just coincides so well together and I appreciate every single one of you. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you subscribe and join my little family. Comment down below and say hi. I love supporting other YouTubers, so I would definitely come and check out your channel. So without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. We're gonna use this red right here and draw some bloody looking tears.
Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too. And I'm always tired but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you just...
I think we're gonna go into the brown here.
I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. Nobody else above you.
Gonna use some black Snazaroo. If you want words to show up in your pictures, not backwards, you have to write them on backwards and then they'll show up properly in pictures. I've made that mistake so many times. You do it how it looks proper in the mirror and then when you go to take a picture, it's backwards.
But I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong. So every lonely night I sing this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love.
We'll go back to the red from the Wet n Wild Neutrals palette. I'm gonna try to make this look bloody.
Nobody else above you. Nobody else above
I don't have any liquid latex, so I thought I'd improvise, maybe with some cotton balls, make it look juicy. I mean, everybody really has cotton balls around, but people don't always have liquid latex. Let's just use that and make it look like it has some texture to it. Like I really cut into my skin.
Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too. And I'm always tired but never of you. If I pulled a you on you, you wouldn't like that shit. I put this real out but you wouldn't bite that shit. I type a text but then I never mind that shit. I got these feelings but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you just say so. And if I were you, I would never let me go.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. above adios above you. I hate adios, adios above you. I hate adios,
It's always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings.
We're gonna use Hard Candy Velvet Mousse Matte Lip Color. I have no idea the color name of this.
Right does me wrong, so every lonely night I sing this song.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. Nobody else above you. Nobody else above you.
Just putting fake blood all over the letters.
Adios above you. I hate adios, adios above you. I hate all alone. I watch you watch her like she's the only girl you've ever seen. You don't care, you never did. You don't give a damn about me.
Do you miss me like I miss you? Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can break your heart too, and I'm always tired, but
I actually might do something with my hair. Make it look a little messed up, you know?
these feelings, but you never mind that shit. Oh, keep it on the low. You're still in love with me, but your friends don't know. If
So here's my finished look, looking crazy for my anti-Valentine's Day look. I hope you enjoyed this. For everyone who's anti-Valentine's Day, if you learned some tips and tricks, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me, and until the next time, bye!